Hi, let me show you all the ways how you can take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first one will be basic with the help of two buttons, volume down and power button. So you need to hold them together like that. And now you saw this animation, which means that screenshot has been taken. You can immediately crop it, you can draw something on that screenshot, share it to any social media, and save to gallery. The next way is with quick settings. So swipe down from top right corner and then swipe down again to see more features. Here in the list you need to find take screenshot feature, but if you cannot see it, then tap pen icon and choose to edit your quick settings. Then in the list of available buttons, find take screenshot and tap this one to add to your quick settings. Don't forget to double click done button. And now we can just tap this take screenshot feature and the screenshot will be taken just in 2 seconds, as you can see. Now, the next way how we can take screenshot is with the help of palm swipe to capture feature. So you can just swipe across the screen with your palm like that, and the screenshot will be taken. If for some reason the feature does not work for you, then let me show you how to enable it. For that, we need to open settings and then find advanced features. Now you're gonna go in motions and gestures and make sure that palm swipe to capture is turned on. Then you can swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take screenshot. Now the next way is with the help of Edge panel with the help of AI Select. You can tap the feature and let's try this out again. We can tap or draw around something to see what you can do with. And yep, now we can crop it and save as a screenshot. So to find it, go back in settings, find display settings, and then scroll to see edge panels. Make sure it is turned on, then go in panels, tap to edit apps, and here make sure to select AI Select. Now you can just swipe inwards like that from your right edge of the screen, tap on AI Select, and then tap or draw around something to select it. Just like that. You can move it across the screen. You can pin it, share it to social media, save, and set as wallpaper as well. And the next way is with assistant menu. So we need to find it in settings as well. Let's just find accessibility tab here and go in the interaction and dexterity. Now we can see this assistant menu, which we need to activate by toggle on the switch. Then you will see this floating button on the screen. You can tap it, tap on screenshot, and it will be taken. Or you can just set the button to tap for screenshot. For that, go in selecting items and just remove every feature except screenshots. So I'm gonna remove it and save changes. Now when I will tap this button, screenshot will be taken automatically. So let's try this out in the app. I'm gonna just tap the button and yep, the screenshot is taken. Also, we can set up Bixby or Google Assistant to take a screenshot. For example, we can say, "Hey Google." So as you can see, we need to set it up first. So you can set it up in settings, or you can find Bixby. So we can search for Bixby. I misclicked. And go in its settings. And here we need to set it up. So go in voice registration, make sure to set Hi Bixby. Also, you can set different sensitivity. And now let's test it. Hi Bixby, take a screenshot. And as you can see, it's working just fine. And now I'm gonna show you different type of screenshot, which is scrolling screenshot. So for that, you need to just open any app in which you can scroll. It could be any web page, or I'm gonna show you this on the example of settings. Now take screenshot with the help of any way you want to. And then you should see this arrow appears under the taken screenshot. By tapping it, you will make your screenshot bigger, and with this way, you can capture whole page. So as you can see, I'm capturing whole settings and my screenshot gets bigger and bigger. Now I accidentally tapped on the screenshot, so it automatically saved to my gallery. We can check this by going in gallery. And here it is. As you can see, we can zoom in and just scroll like in settings. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.